another cake recipe where we are going to steam the cake instead of baking it. Yes, trust me guys, we don't require any baking ingredients for this yummy cake. These are the only 2 ingredients we'll be using today. So let's get started. I have taken 2 large Oreo biscuit packets. You can take any chocolate sandwich biscuits you have at your home. Now we are going to separate the biscuit and its cream. So now we are done with this. It's time to blend our biscuits. Break the biscuits into pieces and add them to a mixer jar. Blend it well into a soft, smooth powder. I'm transferring this to a bowl. Make sure the powder is totally lump-free. To this, add half a cup of milk. Make sure you add the milk gradually, only depending upon the consistency. Yes guys, now our cake batter is ready. Meanwhile, I'm going to preheat my kadai by adding some water into it and placing a stand. Preheat this for about 5 minutes. Pour half of the cake batter to a plate with butter paper over it. And also do check out the iCards for making butter paper at your home. Now place the cake tin on the preheated kadai. Cover the kadai with a thick woolen towel and place the lid over it. Also wrap the towel in such a way that it covers the lid. And now let's steam our cake batter for about 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes now and this is how it looks. On top of this, make a layer for the biscuits cream. And pour the remaining cake batter. Again cover this and steam for about 10 minutes. Once the water gets completely evaporated, turn off the flame. And this is how our delicious cake is going to be after steaming it for 10 minutes. Transfer this to a plate and remove the butter paper. Just look at the soft texture of our cake. Our cake is now getting a chocolate syrup bath. Tap and check out the iCards so that you will be able to make chocolate syrup with those 3 ingredients. And now I'm going to taste this juicy chocolate cake. Oh my god, I did never expect this to be this much yummy. Guys, I will highly recommend you to try this at your home. Otherwise, you will fail to taste the most yummiest cake done by yourself. Leave your suggestions in the comments down below. And stay tuned to Dodo Mix by subscribing us. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.